You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. This is a contraction of the words we would. It's pronounced in English pronunciation, wed. As in, an example of sentence would be, we'd really like to go to the beach with. We would really like to go to the beach. We'd really like to go to the beach. With is how you say it. A short E sound. With. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.